What is the value of resistor X in this figure? Here we can see 6 ohm and X ohm resistor which are parallel to each other. Equivalent circuit is 2 ohm. So here we have to calculate value of X. So for parallel circuit we can write down 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So here we can see that resistor 1 and resistor 2 which are parallel to each other, 6 ohm and X resistor which are parallel to each other. So equivalent value is 2 ohm. So we can write down 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon X. Now here we have to calculate 1 upon X equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. After simplifying, here we can get 4 by 12. So X is 12 divided by 4, means we can write down X equal to 3. So unknown value is X equal to 3 ohm. Thank you.